Hello my guys, welcome to another episode. Keep working on this 2004 Ford F250. I'm gonna replace the fog lights for these new LEDs. I already disconnect the regular bulb and I have the fog light right there. I just connected to the stack housing. These ones, they don't consume a lot of energy. I don't think I need to do a relay in the whole wiring. I'm gonna connect them to the stack connector. I need to remove the fog lights and try to mount these new fog lights with the new brackets they came with. Hopefully I don't have to do any modifications, and by removing those, hopefully I can put these ones on. Let me turn them on so you can see the difference between the LED and the regular bulb. A lot brighter. So I know they work with the stack connectors. The only thing that I need to do now is just remove those. They only has one bulb on the bottom and two bulbs on top. Remove the whole housing so we can try to put these ones on. The adjuster bulb needs to be removed too. You gotta love Ford. They don't wanna come out. Okay guys, this is the plan of action. This is the bracket, and I want the light to stay right where the other one was. In order for me to do that, I might have to trim a little bit around and make the hole bigger for the bracket that came with the LEDs. Once I get all this done, I'm gonna put it on, connect it. It's gonna be easy installation. The only difficult part is remove the stock ones. Probably I don't want to, but probably I'm gonna have to break them instead of removing the grill, because even though if I try to put it to the top, it doesn't work either. Yeah, I don't know if this is being modified or somebody hit it. Probably somebody hit it on the front, but I doubt it. But you see, I scratched this part just to remove the housing. Bad design. Bracket is on. I just make the hole bigger. Really simple. Maybe I do have to modify it a little bit, the bracket, because these lights, they hit on the back. If I have it like that, the light is gonna face down. It's not gonna be straight, so it doesn't work. But if I modify the bracket just a little bit, cut it in here and here, I'm gonna have enough room for the light to stay straight, and then I can adjust the height. It depends on the need. Part right here on this one, and it's pretty flush now. I don't think I need to trim more on the bottom. I think it's perfect now. Okay, I'm gonna mount everything. Really simple. Put everything back on it. The bar on the back broke, so that's the bracket here. It was already damaged. I think I like the position. It's a little bit further back compared to the stock one, but let me turn them on so you can see the difference. Yeah, a lot better. I'm gonna have to adjust them because it's kinda high, but I'm gonna do the same process on the other one. Wait until it gets dark so I can do the adjustment process. Okay guys, and just to finish, that's the end result. I couldn't do the headlights because the LEDs that I ordered, they're too big and you can't lock it in place. I'm gonna order some small ones, but for now we have the fog lights, we have the headlights, the new LED side markers on the mirrors, Here on the back we have that bright LED third brake light, and pretty much that's it. It looks really good. I really do like it. And that's the whole setup. And then you have the turn signals. They look awesome. There you go. I hope you like this little episode, guys. It's just a little improvement on the lights, and probably next time I'm gonna do the headlights, but for now that's it. I think I'm really happy with the result. Everything looks really good. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.